Hey, it's Tony again from Type 5 Reviews. We've been out here enjoying our new Intex pool, but of course no pool is complete without some nice rafts to relax on. So I thought I'd share with you a quick tip on what I use to save my lungs when blowing up these inflatables. And it's this Ryobi Power Inflator. I bought one of these several months ago and it really has come in handy around the house. It comes with multiple tips, and as you can see here, I'm using the rounded inflator tip to blow up this pool raft. Now it isn't incredibly fast, as it did take about a total of 10 minutes to blow up this large raft, but that gives me a bit more control to make sure that I'm not overfilling and popping the raft, which is a possibility if I use something more powerful like a bigger air compressor. I've also used this inflator to top off my vehicle's tires, and the included LED pressure gauge works really well to make sure that I'm reaching the correct PSI. Just make sure to pause when you're filling up to get an accurate reading. It also comes with an air needle that works well for pumping up sports balls from time to time. And another side benefit is, since it's battery powered and easily portable, I can bring it to the beach with the family and blow up our rafts once we get there. Overall, I highly recommend picking up a small power inflator like this one, and if you have any other tips or tricks for pool owners, leave a comment below. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. Just remember, I've done the research, so you don't have to.